Let us start with the calculation now. 2.2 is the primary current, secondary current is 4.8 on the secondary side. So I differential will be equal to, okay, what is the formula for I differential? I1 minus I2. So 2.2 plus 4.8 इनके दोनों का subtraction का करते हो, you will get as 2.6 and the percentage bias setting which will be I1 plus I2 by 2. Okay, so I1 plus I2 by 2, the value comes out to be 3.5 over here. You can verify it by yourself. These were the observed value. So you can see I differential calculated and I differential observed, they are same. I bias calculated, I bias it is same. अब ये दोनों अगर सेम है तो परसेंटेज बायस भी दोनों केस में कैसे आएंगी? इट विल बी सेम एंड द परसेंटेज बायस इज गिवन बाय द फॉर्मूला आई डिफरेंशियल दैट इज 2.6 डिवाइड बाय I bias 3.5 plus 0.5 into 2.6. Okay, so the answer comes out to be 0.54 and we have set the relay bias setting is 40%. So the relay has operated when the bias setting seen by the relay is more than 0.4. So it has operated successfully. Similarly, you can go with the remaining two readings also. I1 primary is 1.75, I2 primary is secondary side it is 4.8. So I1 minus I2 comes out to be 2.05. Okay, 3.05 आएगा, sorry 3.05 and the observed value is 3.05. Again the readings are same. I bias is given by I1 minus I2 by 2. Okay, so I1 minus I2 और I2 minus I1 by 2. Okay, आप उनको दोनों को साइन चेंज कर सकते हो, नो इश्यू ओवर देयर. Okay, that comes out to be 3.275. Again calculate the percentage bias by using the calculated values and percentage bias by using the observed value by using this formula over here. Similarly, go for the third set of reading and note down these values over there. And the result, you can write down the percentage bias calculated and the percentage bias observed are near about same. The percentage I differential calculated, I differential observed, it is same. I bias calculated and I bias observed, again they are same. Okay, the relay is operated in less than half second, 0.5 second over there. That should be your observation at the last and the result. Okay, in the result you can write the observation also that we have set the relay to operate for around 1 ampere and the relay is operated when the difference in the two current is more than 1 ampere. यहाँ पे 2.6 का डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पे 3.5 का डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पे 1.83 का डिफरेंस है. ओके, सो रिले हैज पिकअप when the difference in the two current is more than 1 ampere. At the same time, we have set the bias setting for 40%, that is 0.4. So the relay has operated when the bias setting, if अगर आप इसका ग्राफ अगर ड्रॉ करते हो तो ये ग्राफ आपका इस तरीके से आता है. दिस इज द आई पिकअप, इसके बीच में आई पिकअप रहता है और ये आपका स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन. ओके, अगर आप स्ट्रेट लाइन दिखाना चाहो तो स्ट्रेट लाइन भी दिखा सकते हो. सो दिस स्लोप इज 40% और आपका जो स्लोप ऑब्जर्व हुआ वो यहाँ पे आ रहा है. ओके, एंड सिंस द पॉइंट इज लाइंग अबोव दिस, द रिले हैज ऑपरेटेड इन ऑल द 3 केसेस. दैट्स ऑल.